Hello, my name is Trina Ganguly, and the date today is October 2nd, 2022, and here are my notes for today's video. So today I will be discussing the lab portion of our anatomy class, and I'll be discussing the cow eye dissection today. And so here I have the cow eye right here, and here's what it looks like all over. I have removed all the fat and the muscle from it, and it is nice and clean. And here is the interior part of the cow's eye. However, nothing is in there at the moment. So this is what it looks like right there. This is what the interior looks like right there. Right there. So, in order to dissect the eye, what we first did was cut into the eye cavity right there, right over here. We cut into the eye to get out the aqueous humor, which is a little bit of a liquidy liquid thing of like an inner liquid of the eye. And we took it out a little bit so we could cut into the eyeball itself without it squirting out or anything, and observe the aqueous humor of the eye. And so the aqueous humor helps keep the balance at the back of the eye, and in the back of the eye there is another liquid called the vitreous humor, and that's in the back portion of the eye. So for the beginning we only drained out the aqueous humor. And so when looking at the eye, all this area is called the sclera, and that is surrounding the entire eye over here. And so the back part of the eye, this is where the optic nerve would be. And so then now we will go inside to the eye and look at the interior. So this is the interior portion of the eye. And so this front portion right here with the lens, right there, this has the lens in it, and that is also where, and so the lens is right here, and it's like a little tiny little marble, and that sits right back with the on top of the pupil right there, where you see out of the little area right there that we cut into earlier. And inside there would be the iris, which I've cut out, right here, and this is the colored section. This sits right over there with the lens and the pupil, and it was originally all attached until I had cut it all open to see what it was. And in the front area is also where the aqueous humor is, which we had originally drained out. And then in the back right here, so this is supposed to have a retina, usually, but we don't have that here right now. I don't think mine didn't really come with it for some reason. And with the retina, you can see the rods and the cones of the eye. The rods can they kind of help you see like in the darkness and like have sharper vision, while the cones give you the color vision of your eye. And since the back is also filled with the vitreous humor, which is right here, it is a bit of a gelatinous membrane that is in the back of the eye, and that balances out the pressure of the eye with the aqueous humor, which is in the front of the eye. And then in this back section right here, this is the and so this back area, this kind of shiny area right there is known as the choroid, and that lets you see, it allows you to see in dimmer light. And then this connective tissue right there, this connects to the optic nerve, which then connects the eye to your brain, in specific your occipital nerve, and help transmit all the information that you're taking in through your eyes to your brain. I just want to go back a little bit, and I think that the retina might actually be mixed in with the vitreous humor in my hand right here. I can't seem to completely separate it out because it's very much it's very fragile and very delicate and kind of difficult to separate out. But that is, I think, where the retina is, and it is in the back of the eye with the vitreous humor. And so the retina is kind of like a clear membrane in the back, and it surrounds the cornea of the eye. And so that is my cow eye dissection.